And what you are doing right now is you are learning. You are now on your learning zone. Kasi, na-overcome nyo na yung fear zone. Ano yung fear zone nyo? Yung ma-elect kayo as president-elect. Fear nyo yun eh, di ba? Totoo ba? Fear nyo na baka ma-fail ako. Maging failure ako sa club ko. But ngayon, you are now on the learning zone. Okay? So what you are doing right now is learning. Then after that, what will happen to you after your PSEX? You will now be on your growth zone. We need to say, you are now growing. You are now growing. You are now becoming a full-fledged Rotarian. You are now being Rotarized. Kasi, nandoon ka na. Nasa growth zone ka na. So what are you going to do? Get out of your comfort zone. Hindi comfort room. Okay? Comfort zone po. Huwag kayo magstay sa comfort room. Okay? Lumabas kayo. Think out of the box. Get out of the box. Magkaroon kayo ng fear. It's okay. That's fine. But remember to go learning and to go growing. Importante yun. Okay? So you have 4. Comfort zone, fear zone, what else? Learning zone, then growth zone. Okay. So always remember that one. The second one